Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to show you a quick learning through play activity using a whiteboard, some candies, and some paper plates to show your child the beginning steps of division. Let's get started. I have my trusty assistant Wyatt with me today. Hi Wyatt.
Hi.
So today, Wyatt, we're going to be talking about division, and if you look on this board here, it has the division symbol in the middle, the line with the dot above and below. That means that we're going to take the 6, which is the bigger number, and we're going to divide it or separate it equally into 3 different places. Wyatt, whenever you see 6 divided by 3, you can think of the 6 as the candies and the 3 as the plates that we're going to divide them equally onto. So can you take 3 plates and put them out for me? So this would be like you and 2 friends, right?
Right.
And we want to give everybody an equal number of candies. Can you count out 6 candies for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great. Will you take the other 4 and push them away? Wonderful. So we have our 6 candies and our 3 plates. Will you go ahead and put 1 candy on each plate? Because when we divide equally, we want to go all the way through one time and then come back. That way we don't have too many on any plate. Go ahead.
1, 1, 1.
Great job. Now can you go back and do it a second time? But this time what will we say?
2, 2, 2.
Right.
2, 2, 2.
Are we done with the candies?
Yes.
So now we have divided out equally amongst the 3 plates. How many is on each plate?
2.
So what do you think our answer is?
2.
6 divided by 3 is 2. Will you write that for me on the whiteboard? Great job. So when you're doing this with your child, you can do all different numbers, give them different ways to try it out, let them roll a die so they can see how many candies or how many plates that they want to do. Let them be in charge of the numbers so they can try something out. This will give them great practice. So the question becomes, what happens if your child rolls an odd number where you won't be able to divide it equally? Well, this is a great opportunity to teach them about remainders. So Wyatt, you rolled 2 for your plates and you just rolled 5 for your candies. So let's go ahead and do the division process and do 1 on each plate and keep going until we're done with the candies. Let's see what happens.
1, 1, 2, 2.
How many candies do we have left over?
1.
Can we put 1 more on each plate?
No.
No, so that means we have a remainder. And in division, when you can't divide it out equally anymore, what is left over is your remainder. So if you can write the answer of how many is on each plate first. What is that number?
2.
2. And then you're going to write an R and write how many is left on the outside of the plates. So now will you write the answer for me for how much is on each plate? What number is that?
2.
Very good. And then we're going to write an R and we're going to write the number of candies left over.
1.
Right. So our answer for 5 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 1. Since there's 1 left over, you can eat it.
Yay!
Wishing you and your child lots of simplicity, progress, and joy.
And candy.
Bye!